Alrighty guys, have a look right here on your screen. You can see that I'm here at Google Trends. If you look up here in the address bar, it's trends.google.com. And I did a little search here. I wanted to see about how many searches were being done for people that have the terrible, debilitating disease or physical problem called vertigo. Vertigo is a problem or a malady that makes people constantly dizzy. It makes them constantly feel dizzy and nauseated from dizziness. And people wake up with this a lot. And I did a little search here. I typed in vertigo remedies right here, guys. And if you look, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of searches going on all over the world because people are looking for help with vertigo. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how we're going to be able to help these people, and we're going to make some really good money helping them ourselves. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on this here video today. First of all, we want to, if you're new to my videos, and this is your first time to my videos or to my channel, as you can see right here on your screen now, that I'm Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel. If you have not yet subscribed, reach down there below your video right now while we're talking about it and thinking about it. Click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell as well, and so that you can get notified and be the first to come over and take advantage of new videos that I upload. Alrighty? Well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this, guys. So I did a search on Google Trends here, and like I said, I found amounts of people that are searching for this particular ailment and how to get remedies for it. So I wondered if Clickbank, I came over to Clickbank, which, by the way, guys, if you don't have an account at Clickbank, you just come to clickbank.com and click sign up and fill out their form, and they'll send you an email confirmation. Get that checked out, get it verified, come back, get logged in, and then you want to click on the marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is right here, guys, and it brings you over here to the marketplace page. Then, so what I did was I came down here, guys, and I looked here on Clickbank to see if there was a product that we could use. And I clicked here on health and fitness right here where you see my mouse is. And they have all kinds of different things down here, you know, like weight loss and addiction and so on and so forth, and men's health and so on and so forth. And I found right here, it says remedies. You see that right there, guys? And I clicked on remedies, and I loaded it up, and then I come up here and I sorted these by gravity right here. I scrolled down through, there's all kinds of different things. Now, guys, this method that I'm going to show you here today, we're helping people with vertigo, but you can help people that have, look right here, diabetes. You can do this same thing with the Lost Book of Remedies here. I mean, back pain breakthrough help here, kidney disease, sinus, diabetes. I mean, there's all kinds of things here, high blood pressure, Parkinson's. I mean, there's products that you can use to do this particular method with in all of these niches. All you got to do is do a search like I did on Trends to find out which one most people are having problems with, and then you can do it with any one of these products. Now, if you can't access Clickbank because of where you're at in the world, you can still do this with Digistore 24. Okay? They have similar to these products that are here on Clickbank are also on Digistore 24, which I know you can access anywhere in the world because it's in Germany. I did a search and I scrolled down and I happened to find right here, this one right here, guys. It says Vertigo and Dizziness Program from Blue Heron Health News. And we can make $40.60 per sale on this. What you want to do is you want to click on promote here. We will click on promote. And then we want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here. Now you can use a tracking ID optional if you want to. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can market this and help people today with this and make some pretty good money yourself in the process of helping other people here, okay? So you can put a tracking ID in there optional if you want. Click on Generate Hop Links, and that gets us our Clickbank link here. Now, I would recommend that you probably come over to like tinyurl or bit.ly. You can use bit.ly too, tinyurl.com, and I think if I spell that right, we'll be in good shape here. And then what we'll do is we will paste our Clickbank, long Clickbank link in there, and we'll say make tiny URL. And it gives us this tiny URL right here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And like I say, I always tell you guys to make sure that you check these links out and make sure they do what you tell them. And it should take right over to the sales page, which is the Blue Heron News. And this is the video sales letter. It's pretty simple. You can see it says Clickbank up here on the right. It's pretty simple, and they can watch this video here that will help them and show them how to take care of that issue of vertigo. Okay, so this is a good product. Now, so we've got our link here. Now, how are we going to market this? Well, there's a couple of ways I'm going to show you here. Now, one of them is right here. You're going to come over here to Twitter. All right, and if you'll notice at Twitter, I logged into my account. If you don't have an account at Twitter, guys, it's free to create one, even if it's just for these methods to market these Clickbank remedies that I'm showing you today, particularly the vertigo, right? And if you'll notice, I clicked on the Explore hashtag thing right here on the left where my mouse is. And I typed in up here at the top in the searches, I said, how to cure vertigo. And it brings up all of these different things where people are looking for help with vertigo. I mean, you know, and the people are asking questions, how to cure vertigo disease naturally at home. And they're asking, my friend asked me how to cure vertigo. I can't remember, he says. How to cure. All these people are looking for a way to get help with their problem of vertigo, guys. So what you want to do is you can comment on these things. Now, some people may say, does Twitter allow affiliate links? Well, I did a little search on that just because I know some of you are thinking that. Well, I did a little search on that. I come over here to the Microsoft Bing search engine, guys. And if you'll see, I typed in the search, I said, does Twitter allow affiliate links? And I scrolled down and I found this right here. It says, yes, they do. There's no specific rule that forbids adding affiliate links to your tweets. So you can use affiliate links on your Twitter post and you won't encounter any problem from the platform itself. But there is a good way to do it and a bad way to do it. You do not want to come off as a spammer, right? I recommend you read this article right here. You can see where my mouse is. If you do a search on Bing or Google, you should come up with this, and it's by this person right here, Nicola Rosa, Promote Affiliate Links on Twitter, and this article will show you the correct way to do that and the profitable way to do that so that you don't get seen as a spammer. Alrighty? So yeah, what you want to do is you come over to Twitter and then you can start commenting and giving an answer, give some value, and direct people to the product. But however, I recommend that you do not do direct linking to the product from Twitter. Rather that you set up a landing page, so to speak, and you can use Linktree to do this with, and it's free to do this with Linktree, and you create links on what looks like a little cell phone here, and you can direct them over to your Linktree link, and then it will show your product for vertigo there, and they can click on that. Then it will take them over to the sales page right here. Okay, it'll take them right over to the sales page. So you can use Linktree as sort of like a landing page to direct them to right from Twitter, and or you can use the one that I recommend is called System.io. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's System.io, and you can come here for free, and right here they have a free account, and you can create landing pages or sales funnels, the same thing. Create landing pages for free with a System.io domain and direct people from Twitter to your landing page that you can create for free right here. Now I have the link, the quick link down there in the top of my description for System.io. You can click on that, come over, and you can see what I'm showing you here. I just clicked on pricing right up here, guys, and you can see they have a free thing here that even has email. This is a complete marketing platform that you can check out right here, and you can certainly build a free landing page right here. All right, so that's one way. Using Twitter, answering questions, helping people, giving value to people that are looking for help with their vertigo, how to cure vertigo. I mean, people are asking that. My friend asked me how to cure vertigo, or get help with it. These people are looking for help with vertigo. I mean, you can type in all kinds of keywords up here and even come up with more that have to do with vertigo, or any of the products that you're using. If you're using one of these other, you could, but like I said, you can do this with high blood pressure. You can do it with Parkinson's disease. Clickbank has products for these remedies for all of this to help people, even osteoporosis here, guys. So that's one way to market it there. The other way would be if you come over here to Facebook. You see I'm logged into my Facebook account here, guys. And look right here, guys. You can see I'm logged into Facebook, and I've clicked on groups. And over here in the left, in the search engine, you see over here, I typed help with vertigo. You see it right here, guys. And I did a search, and you can see I've come up with all kinds of groups where people are looking for help with vertigo. As you know, there are thousands, guys. Look, here's almost 2,000, 11,000, 28,000 here, 5.7, guys. There are people, and it goes on and on and on, people looking for help, vertigo. So you can market over here, and you can also paste your affiliate link as you join these groups and get to know people, and then begin to share with them your remedy for the vertigo that could help them. And you want to direct them from Facebook over to your landing page, either with Linktree or System.io, or you can even use Wix or any kind of free place to build a nice landing page to direct people to from Facebook. And you just want to make sure that you don't spam. You want to give value in the Facebook group. And you can do that in as many groups as you want here. As you can see, it just goes on and on and on, and people are looking for help with vertigo. I mean, it's just, guys, it's a big thing, and people need help. And you can offer them some help and make some pretty good money yourself. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. I wanted to show you a good method where you can help people with vertigo and make yourself some pretty good money at the same time. And you can also do it with many other Clickbank or Digistore 24 products. Well, if you like this video, guys, reach down there and give me a thumbs up for this method, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there below. Also, if you got any questions about this video or comments, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free video presentation on how to become a high ticket affiliate marketer, where you can make into the thousands of dollars in even one day's time possibility, you want to reach down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and have a look at that free video presentation. That'll show you the formula on how you can get started with high ticket affiliate success. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to leave you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.